Hi there, David Fabian with Guns and Ammo. I've got an exciting new product to show you from the legendary company of FN. I'm here talking with Tom Victa, the pistol product manager for FN. Tom, show us the exciting new launch for FN.
Thanks, David. So what you guys can see right here is our new, for 2021, 509 LS Edge. So what we really tried to do with this was take all that proven performance in the 509 family and really chase all the performance aspects of something duty ready, but can give you every possible advantage, whether it's in a real-life gunfight or just your local competition.
Now, the LS Edge looks like a really cool gun. I noticed the LS must stand for long slide. It looks like a longer one than normal.
Absolutely. So let me see if I can get it in there a little bit better. So what you have there is a 5-inch long slide, and you can see the cut-through serrations up front to really help balance that front end of the slide. So you get all the performance of a 5-inch gun, but the guys really optimize the center of gravity through these cuts and through some internal cuts so that the gun tracks and balances like a 4-inch. So you get all that performance of the 5-inch, but that speed of recovery and getting the gun back on target of a smaller platform.
Now, I noticed you guys have an Optic on that one. That obviously has FN's Optic cut and it's Optic ready. What are you guys rocking on that one?
So as you talked about, this is the patented low-profile optics mounting system. But what you see right here is the Leupold Delta Point Pro. Now, if you're more of a Trijicon guy or a Holosun guy, you can mount pretty much everything out of the box, including those optics, Vortex, et cetera, et cetera. But what's great about that is this optic system allows you to direct mount all of the optics straight into the slide and still get co-witness sights. And I'm not sure if you can see that red dot in there. I'll try to run it in there for you. But you can still use the backup iron sights with that bright green fiber front as well. And that's actually a really cool feature on the 509 LS Edge. At first, I'll be honest, I was a little skeptical. Why would you want to have a fiber optic front and a red dot? And what I've realized, the more and more I use it, you're picking up your iron sight as you're presenting, helping you find the red dot on the target, which is what a lot of newer users have a big hurdle of, is finding the dot. So that fiber optic front really helps you with that.
Very neat. Yeah. That's the one place that most new shooters struggle when they're transitioning from traditional irons to a red dot equipped pistol. So that's neat with the fiber optic leading your eye to the target. I like that. Now, this is a racy gun. Obviously, it was built to be the ultimate pistol. What kind of disciplines are these going for?
So we really wanted the 509 LS Edge to be that ultimate tactical fighting pistol. So the two guys we really relied heavily on were Dave Savigny, world championship pistol shooter, and Tim Kennedy, that proven experienced military pedigree.
Now, we talked about the upper. Let's talk about the lower. What are some notable features on the lower of the LS Edge?
So let me see if I can pull you in it one more time. You'll notice right away the magazine well. So we integrated the aluminum magazine well here to really help you funnel the magazines into the gun. So we took the mid-size frame, actually, so that's a 15-round grip frame with the fully integrated mag well to extend it out to 17 rounds so that you get the full firing grip, but the mag well is actually a lot longer, giving you a much better performance of inserting the magazine. And then as we kind of move up here, you'll see we have a new enhanced grip texture here. We wanted something that really mimicked what Dave Savigny uses on some of his race guns, that stippled texture, to make sure he always has a good firm firing grip on the firearm straight from the factory. And then as we roll a little bit further forward, you'll kind of see one of the highlight features of the LS Edge. So right there is the flat face trigger. What's really great about that is that you can get the gun right there at 90, ready for the break. And it'll be hard to see on the camera, but that's the entire thing. Smooth, crisp, and it's got a few internal upgrades. To reduce the over travel, you saw that really short reset and drop the trigger pull about 1.5 pounds. So you're getting kind of that race gun performance in this duty ready package.
Okay. Now, I noticed the magazine dropped free. Is there what's making it drop so free?
So the gun ships with 3 of these magazines. They're 17-round mags with the aluminum floor plates there. And what that really helps do is it helps the magazine drop free regardless of the angle that you go to release. It really just helps balance out the CG so that when your gun runs dry, which you're going to do a lot faster now with that trigger, you can get the gun empty and back in the fight as fast as possible.
Now, we didn't talk about caliber yet. I assume this is a 9mm. Anything else available yet?
So like all the 509s, we're sticking with the 9mm caliber, TBD on the future, maybe we'll be talking here again soon.
Okay. Well, it's a very exciting pistol. Whether you're looking for the most capable home defense gun or the ultimate carry gun or just a rockin' competition pistol, that looks like a very, very neat product from FN. Tom, thank you for your time.
Appreciate it. If you want to learn more about the 509 LS Edge or any of the 509 series, just visit us at fnamerica.com. Thanks, Gus.
Thank you.